Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking that your Mac meets the app requirements and you have a recent backup. This prevents surprises. Once done, download a reputable live wallpaper app or the specific animated file you want and move it to Applications. You may need to grant accessibility or screen recording permissions in System Preferences immediately after launching the app so it can run on the desktop. Make sure apps are from known developers to avoid unnecessary security prompts or incompatible installs. Now you configure the wallpaper itself. Choose whether it's a bundled animation, a local video, or a remote file, and pick the target display or desktop space. You should lower resolution or frame rate when performance matters, and enable battery saver or pause on low battery to avoid overheating. Once your settings are applied, test switching spaces and full-screen apps to ensure the wallpaper stays where you expect. If you want different wallpapers per monitor, assign them in the app or macOS display preferences. Finally, lock in your setup by enabling launch at login and confirming multi-display behavior so the effect persists after restarts. If the wallpaper vanishes after sleep or a macOS update, quit and relaunch the app or restart the dock. That often restores the animated background. If it still fails, open Security and Privacy, revoke then re-grant accessibility and screen recording permissions, then relaunch the app. This refreshes macOS permissions. If performance is poor, reduce resolution or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.